welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Al's Kitchen. If you don't know who I am Al, and I specialise in Indian restaurant curries at home and authentic too. This week I'm going Indo Chinese with my very own firecracker chicken. This recipe is absolutely superb. It's spicy, it's sweet, it's chickeny, it's breadcrumby. It's a little bit of everything me. I love it and it's amazing. You can have it as a starter, as a side dish or as a main, but just make sure you have it. So let's cut to the ingredients. Well, first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to cover the chicken in a little marinade and batter these up. And we've got black pepper, chili flakes, garlic and ginger paste, salt, an egg, some plain flour and some corn flour. The second part of the recipe, which I'll show you soon, we've got green and red pepper, some dark soy sauce, again some cracked black pepper, 1 green chilli, some fresh ginger paste, some fresh chopped garlic, some chili sauce, you can use any chili sauce of your taste, some dark soy, some tomato ketchup and some coriander. So the first part, we're going to get the chicken ready to fry. So all I've done is I've diced up 600 grams of mini fillets. You can use thighs fillets or chicken breast, and we're just going to add in our garlic and ginger paste, our chili flakes, cracked black pepper, salt, an egg, corn flour and flour. It's as easy as that. Time to get the hands dirty. Just want to mix this all around. Give that a good mix. Keep your hands dirty. Right, while you're doing this, you want to get some vegetable or sunflower oil nice and hot. I get it to about 140 degrees Celsius. If you've got one of these little temperature guns, it actually tells you the temperature of the oil. Make sure the oil gets the temperature so it doesn't burn. And what you'll see is each piece of chicken is lightly coated in its own batter. So let's fry the chicken. Right, so once you've got your oil to temperature, let's start putting in the chicken. We're going to fry the chicken for around 5 minutes. Don't take long because they're not big pieces, and that'll be part 1 of the recipe completed. Right, so all we need to do is wait for this to fry out, and we'll be putting that to one side. Right, so 6 minutes and this is done. So flame out. Right, so just put that to side and we'll move on to part 2. Right, second stage, non-stick pan. Take some oil from the original fry. Go in with our freshly chopped garlic and ginger. Now we don't want to cook this too long. We just want to take out the rawness of those flavours. Let's go in with the green chilli. Let's add the green and red pepper. Now we're not trying to cook this too much. We don't want to soften this down too much. We just want to take out the rawness. So give that about 2 minutes. In goes the black pepper, in goes the soy sauce, in goes the tomato ketchup and the chili jam or the chili sauce. Okay, now we've got that ready, let's add all of the chicken. And we only want to cook this for about 1 to 2 minutes because we don't want to make the chicken too soggy. Smells absolutely delicious. Sprinkle in some coriander. And there we go. Al's firecracker chicken. flame out. Do you know what? I'm actually going to do my taste test and I'm going to actually film it out of the pan because I think that looks really nice in the pan. Oh my God, here we go again. There's food on the go. Here comes John. Come on, John, grab your fork.
Well,
what do you think of that?
It looks amazing, doesn't it?
Don't it? You're stepping on a pepper.
Oh,
there you go.
no.
You just killed a bit of red pepper. If I taste that, we'll both do it together.
Right then.
1.
Bring it.
I said a taste test, not a meal. 1, 2, 3. That's superb, isn't it?
Oh well, it is.
You could eat a bowl of this.
Mm.
And it's really easy. I mean, I know it looks a little bit finicky with the batter. It took 2 minutes. That is absolutely superb. Firecracker chicken, guys. Get this on your menu ASAP. You can thank me later.
It's beautiful, isn't it? Really.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Really, really nice.
Really tasty.
It's Indo Chinese, not Indo means
Go on.
Indian. You know what Chinese means? It means Chinese.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, thanks for watching the show. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new. Leave me a comment. Hype the video up. Tell all your friends. Tell the world. Start an Al's Kitchen campaign. Tell your dog. Tell the cat community. They do talk, you know. But anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Love you. Over and out. Do you want a doggy bag?
Oh yeah.
All right, good. Off you go. Bloody cheek. I feel like I'm feeding the 5,000.
It's absolutely amazing.
That's bloody brilliant, that.